AppsFlyer is an ad tech. We're a mobile attribution company. We help marketeers on mobile app advertisers to sell their apps, to market their apps, to run campaigns, and we measure how one campaign can excel comparing to the other. Before we had Aerospike, we had a very big installs database that was very unstable, was composed out of almost 50 instances. We ran on AWS, so hardware fails, and cluster was very unstable. XDCR couldn't keep up. Daily backups took more than a day to accomplish, and we were not happy with support. As an understatement, we couldn't get any proper helps for instability issues, and we were in constant fear that something will happen to this database. The first step that made us move to Aerospike was actually stability. Our first move with Aerospike was to replace our most mission-critical database. It was the user installs database. We migrated around 2 billion records to a new Aerospike cluster, which was more stable, smaller of course, and after we finished migration, we immediately moved to add new features that depend on it. So we had a very high TCO on our formal clusters, and it made us go looking for to find other solutions. And once we find Aerospike, things got a lot cheaper. We saved around 2/3 of our hardware costs. The thing I like most in Aerospike is that it just works, and that's not trivial.